Follow these steps to fix the FPS drop in Elden Ring. The first step, you should just go to the Windows taskbar and then terminate the Steam if it is running in the background. So right click on it if you do find the icon. After that, select exit Steam. The next step, go to the search and type in Task Manager. Open it. Now you need to go to the search and type in Steam to see if it is still running again. If you still find it, right click on it and select End Task. Now deselect the search and expand this Windows taskbar section until you find the memory CPU usages. All you have to do is to ensure that you have the memory and CPU the lowest as possible. So you need to keep them below 100%. The more you keep them the lowest, the more the performance that you will get in Elden Ring. So in order to do that, you need to scroll through all of these processes, and any suspicious or an application or service that you don't want it to be running, you just need to select it and terminate it. Like for example WhatsApp, right click on it and then select in task, or Spotify, do the same thing right here. You can just scroll through all of these processes. Now next, go to the Windows icon. After that, go to settings, go to Windows Update bottom left corner, and it is very important that you have already installed the latest Windows updates to prevent any compatibility issues from happening that may affect the performance of your game. So just if you do have failed updates, select retry all. If you do have stack updates, go to update history, deselect the first two options, scroll down and then select recovery. Select the first option. After that, click on other troubleshooters. Now in front of Windows Update, click on this run button. After that, go back. You can select reinstall now. Next, go to the search and you need to type in NVIDIA. Select this NVIDIA app if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, of course. Now go to drivers and you need to ensure that you have already installed the latest available drivers you will find. So ensure that. After that, go to the search again and type in device manager. Once this window pop up, do the same thing by going to display adapters. After that, go to your graphics card, right click on it and select update driver. Click on the first option. After that, click on close. Hopefully you will get more FPS after doing all of these steps. If you do find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.